Imagine standing on the banks of the mighty Mississippi River and watching the water suddenly surge backwards. No, it's not a movie plot. This really happened. In the early 1800s, an earthquake so powerful hit the central United States that it made the Mississippi River reverse course. Today, we're diving into the mind-blowing true story of the 1812 New Madrid Earthquakes, a series of natural disasters so intense they literally reshaped American geography. I'm Leo, and this is Now Leo Know, where wild facts meet even wilder stories. Let's get into it. It all started in the winter of 1811. In the early morning hours of December 16th, near what is now Missouri, the earth ripped apart. The quake was so massive it rang church bells in Boston, over 1,000 miles away, but that was just the beginning. Over the next 3 months, a series of quakes struck, known collectively as the New Madrid Earthquakes. The biggest one hit on February 7, 1812, and that's when the unthinkable happened. The Mississippi River, one of the most powerful in the world, was forced to flow in reverse. Giant waves surged upstream, boats were tossed about, entire sections of riverbanks collapsed. Eyewitnesses said it looked like the end of the world. So how does a river, especially that river, reverse direction? It's all about seismic shock waves. The earthquake caused sudden, massive uplifts in the ground beneath the Mississippi. That violent jolt blocked and pushed the water back, like slamming a wall into a stream. For several hours, the river flowed upstream before gravity reasserted itself. And remember, this wasn't a tiny creek. This was the Mississippi River, stretching over 2,300 miles and draining water from 32 U.S. states. The towns of New Madrid, Missouri, and surrounding settlements were devastated. Families fled into the freezing night, the ground cracking beneath their feet. One survivor wrote, "The ground was in constant motion, like waves upon the sea. Some riverside communities simply vanished, swallowed by landslides or floods." Native American oral histories also speak of great trembling and upheaval passed down through generations. Most earthquakes happen at the edges of tectonic plates, like California's San Andreas Fault. But this one? It struck deep in the middle of the continent along the New Madrid seismic zone, which is still active today. Scientists believe that massive ancient faults hidden beneath the Midwest reawakened. The 1811 to 1812 quakes were among the strongest ever recorded in North America, with estimated magnitudes between 7.5 and 8.0. If a similar quake hit today, millions could be affected, from St. Louis to Memphis to Little Rock. Infrastructure, dams, pipelines, all at risk. Experts say the New Madrid zone isn't done yet. The earthquakes didn't just shake things, they changed the land. Reelfoot Lake in Tennessee, formed by the quake, the ground sank, and the river filled it in. River islands disappeared, new ones appeared overnight. The course of the Mississippi shifted permanently in some places. Even President James Madison and Congress got involved, offering aid and land grants to survivors. Despite its jaw-dropping scale, the New Madrid earthquakes are rarely taught in schools. They've inspired books, documentaries, and even speculative movies, but they remain a forgotten chapter in American history. Maybe because it happened far from the coasts, or maybe because it sounds too unbelievable. But now you know, one of the greatest natural events in US history reversed a river and nearly tore a continent in two. So next time someone says, "Go with the flow," remind them the Mississippi literally didn't. If this blew your mind, hit that like button, comment below with the emoji, and share this wild fact with your friends. And for more mind-bending knowledge, subscribe to Now Leo Know, where trivia gets epic.